How to fix TikTok notification not showing. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Now, select the settings and privacy option there and then scroll through and tap on the notifications option. In the interface that you will be led to, ensure that the notification types you want, like messages, likes, comments, or live, are enabled, and if not, then go ahead and enable them. And for a reset, you can toggle them off and then wait a few seconds and then toggle them on again. See if that fixes your issue or not, and if not, then launch the settings application on your device and then tap on notifications. Here, navigate to the TikTok application and make sure that allow notifications toggle button is enabled. Also enable lock screen banners and sounds. And also go back to settings and make sure the do not disturb mode or focus mode is disabled, as these can block notifications entirely. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix TikTok notification not showing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.